Nature Tours! Hey there, my name's Nature Todd'S, co-founder, actually complete founder of Nature Todd'S Nature Tours trademark. You try to use that, I'm suing. I have a law degree. Now, what we're doing today is we're out here at Fort Clinch and we're just gonna go out and have some fun. Let's go. Nature Tours! What I have behind me is a Christmas tree, but it's not in season yet. It's not ripe.
Hey, Nature Todd.
Yeah.
You're looking a little pale. You need some vitamin C in you.
Well, vitamin C is Spanish for vitamin yes, so c'est la vie. Now, we're about to go on a Nature Todd'S Nature Tours walk for some fauna at Fort Clinch. Now, come on, let's go.
Nature Todd, I just don't think we're gonna find any of these animals out here.
Put the camera down. Turn it off. Turn it off. What did it say about talking back to me?
Oh, don't do it.
That's right. I'll send you back to St. Mary's.
Okay.
Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take off your shirt and put on that fucking mask. We're gonna make some fauna.
Okay.
Now, what we have here is wild unicorn. They're really shooting down. Goodness, it's magnificent, ain't it? Now, what we're gonna do to prove ourselves is we're gonna kill it and then present it as scientific evidence. Let's go. Nature Tours here. Hey. Yeah. Nature Tours here. We just got done fighting this unicorn here. Yeah. It was a hard battle. He was a worthy opponent. We're now going to go to the hit it for a gee. Shut up. Nature Tours is over. Louis, he was the best prop ever. I'm sorry that you had to be like this. Nature Todd will always remember you. May you go in citrus. All right, Lena, let's go. Let's get on with the Nature Tours. Nature Tours! Now, we're out here at Fort Clinch again. I definitely did not hurt myself. Nature Todd doesn't get hurt by nature. Monet loves me. Monet is my my one love. Monet also stands for Mother Nature. Now, is that bleeding? I'm coming, Lemon. I never leave you. Where are you, buddy? There you are! Lemon! I'm coming! I'm coming, Lemon! We're sick! This works! Come on! Come on now! I got you! I'd never leave you. I'm sorry, I'd never leave you. Nature Tours! Now, I'm out here. I don't know where the heck I am, but I'm somewhere. Got my lemon. Now I'm ready to go do some nature touring. Let's go. Now, can you tell me what type of bird these are right here?
I have no idea, Nature Todd. What are they?
Now, these
Seagulls?
are... No, they are not seagulls. not even the sea. That's an ocean. No, ma'am. These are the penguin's cousins that can actually fly. See, there's one. They like to lord over their other cousins, the penguins that can't fly. They flap over like, hey, you can't fly. That's stupid. Bunch of nerds. But yeah, these are flightful penguins. The scientific name is Flightus penguinus. Now, Nature Tours with Nature Todd here. As you can see back here with the Flightus penguinus, you can see there's an obvious segregation in here. There's the blacks, and then there's the whites. They don't mix for some reason. I don't know why. They come on with human traits, as if they were human and segregated by color. Nature Tours! Hey, Nature Todd, what's this? Well, what's it look like to you?
Horseshoe crab?
Well, you'd be wrong. You see, this here is a Civil War helmet they used for battle. They used to put it on like so. Ain't nothing getting through here.
Then why did it break?
It didn't. That's not a part of it. You just found it there.
Oh. Okay. Are you sure though?
That is 100% Nature Tours and Nature Todd facts. You can check me on it. You'll be wrong, I'll be right. And then we'll see who's laughing.
I'm usually right, Nature Todd.
What? Put the camera down. What did I say about trucking back?
I shouldn't do it.
That's right. Now let's take you back to St. Mary's, Leonard. This is gonna be freezing, and I'm gonna hate myself, but it's good. We're moving it elsewhere.
Didn't see you there.
Oh, hi. Nature Tours. All right, go off somewhere so you can.
Oh, hi.
Be faint.
I didn't see you there.
Oh, hi, Marv.
Mark.
Yeah.
Yeah,
hi,
man.
Mark. I thought it was Mark. Move.
It's Mark.
Move.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Honestly, we don't really have good lighting, so it's gonna be a bit of a hassle.
Careful.
Careful.
It's gonna be a little
Careful.
It's a hassle.
Wait, hold up. I gotta get a corn mask, and then you can also check me the lemon.
I'll check it at your face.
Don't check it at my face. Make sure I can catch it. Unless you want to make some funny bits. Alright, so where is good lighting?
Where the sun is shining on your face. Duh.
Yeah, so we're gonna be over here. So you're gonna be standing here.
No, but you already filmed there.
God.
Oh, I thought you actually swallowed it.
No, I didn't swallow